guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing an everyday kind of summery look. So the first one we're going to start with is the Rimmel London Lasting Finish 25-Hour Breathable Foundation. I am loving this foundation for the summertime because it's so thin, but it covers well enough. It comes on like a wand, so I'm pretty sure I break every single foundation roll because I just apply the wand directly to my skin. I've got a mirror that I'm hoping is out of the way. To blend that in, I'm going to use the Real Techniques Brush Crush foundation brush, but I'm going to spray it first with a bit of the Formula 10.0.6 Be Berry Balanced spray toner. I feel like the toner helps the foundation blend better. Not that it's hard to blend, I just feel like it just kind of works better with. Next, I'm going to go in with Rimmel's Match Perfection Concealer. And using a Real Techniques just foundation brush, I'm going to blend in the concealer. On my eyes, I'm going to be using the Too Faced the Chocolate Bonbon palette. And I'm going to start with Divinity as a base color. So this one up here. Next, I'm going to go in with the blending brush from ColourPop, and I'm going to apply Malted into, I'm going to blend it through the crease. Next, I'm going to go into the Naked Cosmetics Loose Pigment in Desert Sunset. So I'm just packing this on over my whole eyelid. Really glittery. Now I'm going to line the waterline with a Ciate London Wonder Wand eyeliner. And then one thing I've been loving to do lately is using eyeshadows as eyeliners because they don't seem to smear because it's just powder shadow. And I'm going to go in with Dark Truffle, and I'm going to line the upper lash line. Pretty sure I currently sparkle so much that I would make a disco ball bills. And to highlight and contour my face, I'm using the Rimmel Sculpting Palette. So I'm going to be starting with the darker color with the contour shade and a Luxie blush brush. And now I'm going to go in with the Corally blush shade, the Real Techniques Multitask brush. And now with a Luxie highlight brush, I'm going to go into the highlight and just highlight. So next I'm going to use the J-Cat Perfect Brow Pencil, so it's just an eyebrow pencil. For mascara, I'm using the Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara. Now I'm going to set everything with my Real Techniques Brush Crush powder brush and some of the Airspun loose powder. Should have done this before all of the highlight. But this is going to blend everything together and kind of tone down some of the sparkle on my makeup, potentially. And to finish the look, I am using this, I'm not sure what brand it is. So I bought this on Wish. This is the only thing that like I purchased that came in. And it's just a glitter flip lipstick. So here's the finished look. It is a perfect look for in the summertime. So if you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe so you can see more. Thanks for watching. Bye!